Hello you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Love Nails Nicole, and today I am back with I want to do a video on the nail stamping starter kit that I ordered from the YouTube ad by MANIOLOgy. You can see their name here. And I did share this with you guys when it arrived in the nail mail. I did a video on it. But I forgot that I had it, so I wanted to try to use it. I haven't stamped in a very, very long time, y'all. So please don't judge me during this video. It's going to be like I'm beginning all over again, okay? But I wanted to go ahead and open it up and kind of test it out and see how the stamper picks up, how clear the images stamp, and all of that good stuff. I'm going to use my nail art mats that I make and sell on eBay. They are now listed on eBay right now. I don't have all the shapes listed yet, but I will. So you guys make sure you guys go check out my eBay shop. I will leave a link in the comments and in the description. So yeah, this is a nail stamping starter kit, which is going to be perfect for me since I haven't stamped in forever. So I want to see how easy it is to use. It also came with this stamp plate. It says my MANIOLOgy there, and just says nail stamping plate with instructions on the back. You can tell that this one's really, really detailed, so I feel like that's a little bit more harder to use. I feel like it's the MANIOLOgy and collaborated with Claire Estelle 8, which she does some of the most beautiful nail art. So this is my for the stamper. You just, you know, put your image on here to clean it off. It's basically a lint roll on this little handy dandy roller. Whoops. But you could just take it off and refill your lint roll, and you just stick it back down on there, and this is how you clean off your stampers. And it's by Cece and Sissy, I think it's pronounced. This is from Amazon, but yeah, they sent this to me a while back, so I've had that a while. It also came with a clear jelly stamper. It was like a little kit. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and inside there is two plates inside. We have a MANIOLOgy, let me do this one first, MANIOLOgy 014, and we have a MANIOLOgy 015, and those are the designs on that one. So I'm going to try one of these plates. There's a stamping guide pamphlet in the inside as well, a MANIOLOgy scraper. Take that out. The cute clear jelly see-through stamper, and what I like about this is that you can see through the inside here, your image. It says MANIOLOgy on it there. Then two polishes in the inside. 1, 2, okay. So we've got teardrop, and I really like this color, and Restless Dahlia, which is like a light peach color. So I'm just going to use everything in their kit. I do have other stamping polish and stuff like that, but I want to use everything that is in their kit. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and get everything set up here. I have to peel the paper, protective paper off of this, get everything set up, and we'll start. Okay, I have everything open and ready to go. So I'm going to clean this off a little bit by just dabbing it onto the lint roller. I touched it with my finger. Okay. All right, so this is the little lid that was covering the stamper. And I'm going to start with this color, the Restless Dahlia. And I'm just going to choose an image. Let's try, I'm going to try this. I'm just gonna come up and over a little bit when I scrape, and I'm gonna stamp straight down, rock it a little. It picked up, but some of the detail, let's see, show you. Here, let me clean the plate off. I also got out my Sassy Plus Chic 100% acetone from Dollar Tree. And since my nails are polished, even though they are chipping, I'm using my cotton ball holder, strawberry picker thingy, to clean the plate off. And then wipe it dry there. Okay. So that's that image. This one right here. So some of it didn't pick up all of the detail, but that's probably, you know, the way that I pressed down, or I didn't have enough polish, I wasn't firm enough with the stamping, you know, something like that. But it's not bad. At least it did pick up most of the image. So let's try another. I'm gonna try this one. There it is. This time I'm gonna come down up like that. Almost, just didn't get the end there. Oh, I dropped it, y'all, so can't stamp that image anymore. Not bad though, almost got all of that one too. So let's try the blue. I'm gonna try one of these bigger images with the blue. Let's try this one here. That one I scraped really light that time. So let's see, and then I'm going to come down this way. I'm pushing a little firmer this time. So there's that image. I pushed down firmer so all of the image came off. Just good. Clean that off, and then see how it cleans off the polish right off of it. All right, and then I'll go closer so you guys can see. So that's that one. Not bad. It's missing a little bit of the flower, but that's a little detail that, like, if you have some nail art brushes, you can kind of you know, fix up the little small detail yourself, or, you know, start over. All right, so let me clean this off. Probably took too long to wipe it off. There we go. Oh shoot, I set that upside down. Let me start a new piece. So that's easy. Start a new piece just like that. It's nice and clean. Alright, clean this off a little here. Alright. Oh, I forgot to clean this one off, y'all. I'll wait. Okay, so let's do another big image. Use a little bit more polish. Make sure I'm going on the sides good, tops and bottom. And where's my scraper? Here it is. So this time I'm gonna try scraping at an angle very lightly. Okay. Oh, I almost missed it. I was over a little bit too far. Yeah, that one wasn't so great. Let's see. I have to move everything and pick this up. Alright, can you guys see? Yeah, see, it's a little blotchy, so. But all in all, I'm liking it because it is picking up the image every time. You know, I've had plates and stampers that do not pick up an image every time and stamp and all that stuff. So far, seems to be good. Making a mess though. Yeah, what's great about my mats is you can use the non-acetone on them to clean them off and reuse them. So I can see that I am using a bit too much polish, because if I am going to do my nails, I don't want to have, you know, all that extra polish on the side of the plate like that, so it won't get all over or mess up the image. So I'd have to go a little bit softer on the nail polish, a little bit lighter. I want to do one more small one. Let's try. I'm liking the blue because it's just showing better. I'm gonna try this here. This time I'm gonna go across the image sideways with the polish, and then I'm gonna scrape up. And that one turned out pretty nice. I just picked up another image though by mistake, but that turned out nice. Sorry, it keeps getting dark. But yeah, there it is. So that one turned out cute. You know, you can make it a little bit like the void where the tiny dots are missing. That's an easy fix, but the flower came out good. So I like that one. Wasn't too bad. This one wasn't too bad. This one was okay. It just missed a couple pieces here. And this one, that's had total do-over. But all in all, it's great. I really, really like the stamper. It's really easy to hold and use. So I do like that. I love how it's so you could see through and see what you're doing through the top. So yeah. I've been wanting to order another one when I see the ads pop up, but I was trying to wait until I, you know, gave this one a run before doing so. Have a little polish stuck here. Whoa. I was trying to get off, but clean this off. And if y'all are new to my channel and you guys haven't heard where I got this little strawberry, it's actual fruit strawberry, where you get the green thing out of your strawberry. You use this to pull it out. I got it off of AliExpress for under $1, which was a really good deal, because I noticed that a lot of the cotton ball claws cost like $6 and up, $6, $8. I think Sally Beauty Supply, they sell them for like $8 or so. So I got this for under $1. And they do sell them in stores, but in the stores they're about maybe $4, which still isn't bad compared to how much the cotton claw is. So, alright, got the plate all cleaned off. So yeah, that was the Maniology 15 plate. So when I come back on again, you guys, I will test out one of these two. But I just wanted to go ahead and give it a try, since I've had it for so long and haven't put it to the test yet. So yeah, I like it. I've heard that their products are great too, that they, you know, do have great stamping products. And by them saying it's a nail stamping starter kit, I think it's great. It is a great starter kit, since I'm not a stamper and I haven't stamped like literally in a couple years, and I was able to go ahead and do it and picked up a few images, so I'm happy with that. So yeah. Alright, that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to go to my eBay shop and check out my nail mats. I do have other things listed on there as well, and I will be destashing some of my nail polish soon, so I will be putting some of my nail polishes up on the eBay for sale as well. So if you guys are interested in buying some of that too, make sure you guys follow eBay store Love Nails Nicole. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.